Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing for my mini mystery box of awesome. This is a really fun subscription because it's like less than $10 and it's just random items that are normally pretty useful. I've been getting this for a while, so I have a playlist in case you would like to see past months. So this is what they call the regular. It tells you what bag it is. So this one's for October 2019. Get a word search and some different little activities on there. That comes in every bag, and it looks like the items this month: Retro TV VR glasses, experience virtual reality, turn your smartphone into a 3D environment. That's pretty cool. It says it fits all smartphones, includes an adjustable head strap, light, compact, and easy to carry. I've never tried one of those, but that seems neat. So that's the first item. Also have a little advertisement for Pet Treater, which is their other subscription. I have a link below for that. And the next item, sometimes you get really random stuff, but are still useful. Earwax removal drops. Thankfully, I don't have a problem with that. My daughter does, but I bet you can't use this on little tiny kids. Yeah, adults and children, 12 age or older. But you never know when you might need that. And then the last item, Star Wars Boba Fett playing cards. That's pretty cool. We've gotten a few Star Wars items in the past, but stuff like this makes good little stocking stuffers. So those are the items I got this month. Sometimes you get 3 items, sometimes you get a little bit more, but they're always fun and completely random. So if you guys would like to sign up for a subscription, I will have all the information below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.